Kunu. Welcome, Mr. Adeni.
I salute on our good morning, and
We
I
hail
greet Nigerians, all of our good morning today.
We hail you. Merry Christmas, compliments of the season.
I wish you the same, my people.
Okay, so Mr. Kunu, this Electoral Act Amendment where Ibise just happened. First of all, we see the progression, how Ibise, some party members use stage workouts, you know, the time where Ibise didn't raise issue of electronic transmission and no electronic transmission. We see the interest and how the interest can revolve, they can't settle them, then now they can't add this direct and indirect primaries matter where the president can't use put hand, say because of this one, no. And other matters then we surround them will not go consent. And what will be the implication of the president not signing this bill? And then what it say House of Assembly fit do about you know the way that they won't resolve and now fit handle the matter.
I go like make I tell Nigerians say this no be the first time we be say this amendment bill, electoral amendment bill could cause kata. This not the 9th assembly. For the 8th assembly, where be say Bukola Saraki, na the president of the Senate.
True.
Then send this amendment bill, go give President Buhari 3 times. We then send him, he reject him 3 times. So I want to make you understand, say the matter of electoral amendment bill, they make some people comfortable because the power within their hand, go there. And make I also remind us, the president na member of APC. The reason why it be say this same thing where the president no sign, bring us to this position. Now, waiting make APC no get anybody represent them for election for Zamfara. Zamfara election where they win, they lose them because Adams Oshomole will be the party chairman that time talk say, now one way they go take get candidates we go represent them for the election. The same kata where they no fit do. Now also affect them for Rivers. We make APC lose out for everything. So what time they try bring together be say the president for one side makes sense when he talks say it no go good, make them use only one approach to take elect somebody for primary. But the president forget say now waiting him as the party leader allow we make Adams Oshomole and APC get wahala till today. And they remind Nigerians of that thing. So Shena now the president just wake up to talk say we no go let them use the red primary or say the one where Adams Oshomole do maybe in travel go another journey that time he no remember because it good make we dey talk this thing so that Nigerians go know what did happen. What they bring out of this conversation we say many of the party get more than one way to take elect person for primary. At times consensus, at times nomination, at times election. So this one when we say they talk direct primary, make you also not forget to, because it be like say people they use sleeping tablet. This same direct primary 9 Lagos states use, where Bola Tinubu party leader allow, where they take command and body, we make no get ticket to come second time, we bring in Babajide Sanwo-Olu. This same direct primary. So me, I know they understand why it be say everybody wake up from sleep after the sleeping tablet don't work from finish. They say direct primary go carry your Central River. Which river they will want enter now? My own be say many of the political party where they only try do what in favor them. They don't want to do what in they favor Nigeria. Because make I tell us another thing. Immediately the lawmakers finish this bill, when they send it to President Buhari, he did with them for 1 month. The president no do. They set up committee. The person will advise the president, that is the Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami, immediately as lawmakers transfer that to Buhari. Now we don't hear say Governor of Kebbi State go talk to Minister of Justice to talk to Buhari. They made them no sign that thing. And if we even look at, make we analyze this thing. Direct primary gets your advantage. Me, I want to make everything democratic, yes. But if you look direct primary based on what if he do, it go make person where people like they obvious to the world say Mr. A or Mrs. A 9 people want, Mr. B or Mrs. B 9 people don't want. And because many of these governors, some of them self as I hear, especially many of the states from the north, now Abuja that they take rule their state now, not be even for their state. Because many of them go say that they fight security, but they go there to Abuja with their 3rd and 4th wife, they go leave the people who vote them. So what me I just the talk be say, I go like make lawmakers make this matter no hard at all. My guy when they in that studio there don't refer to what I want to talk before. Say lawmakers guys use their own power now. Say if now this direct primary go favor democracy, we go make Nigeria move forward. Make those lawmakers make decision. All of this one will be said they go say that they call town hall meeting. Some of those lawmakers no they even go to their constituency.
Okay, so Mr. Kunu, you think say it dey right for the Electoral Act to dictate to political parties where already get their own constitutions on how to run their primaries?
I they wonder which power many of those political parties won't claim to get when we know how politics they go. In fact, make I tell you something, my sister. The most silent person for this matter na INEC. This matter what they talk about so INEC just carry cotton wool and oil put for ear, put for mouth. They just carry sleep. My own be say this kind matter where they talk about the electoral amendment, INEC suppose they make correct statement. Don't forget. Say I want to remind us so because this matter I no go like make we take one thing and different. Make we join them. Make una no forget say when they reach matter of maybe people data and all that. When National Assembly say they no go fit do electronic transmission of results, and then they say they go take permission from people like Alisa Pantami and all of them, INEC open and say no. According to Constitution, we dey superior to them. So when it reach matter of election, lawmakers self no understand how it thing go easy pass, except INEC. But if me say INEC don't come out to talk say it go dey very expensive. So me I can't dey wonder whether not to queue behind people go dey expensive or I be no because me I no go school, so I go want make them teach me the thing where I no sabi. On my own be say it don't reach where the people where they represent others for government go begin think of the people more. Make a no lie for us. Problem plenty for this country, and the only way to they reduce the problem small, so that we go feel reach where solution go dey. Now, if people will get power, they sincere. Now they don't carry matter one say they won't go community. How many of those lawmakers don't go their constituency go ask questions? Not be so they do us when they start say they want impeach. They say they go constituency. Go gather signature. Now, when time reach for people to come stand for their signature, all of them disappear. We don't remember which community. So make we try do this democracy. If we don't decide to follow democracy, especially electoral, don't forget, say that they always dey quick to increase money where president them feel spend when election reach. But the one will go give people power to decide the person what they want. That one they erase am. And they tell us make we dey careful because all of these things they gather. And when too many negative things don't gather, people go begin react. Nigeria now where we want make peace remain. But the only way to peace now to let the people see say now we choose the person where they represent us. No be say they force them on us.
Mr. Adeni, I dey hear wetin you don dey talk since but go better say we just call a spade a spade. Now, in November 2017, the United Nations commend the before president of Nigeria, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, for electoral reform. So it be say him initiate during his own tenure, even if the reforms they not really favor him. Now the same thing I still come out too. Now we don't carry leg now the Wakanta this present APC government. You could just say that they are afraid, that they fear of the same outcome. Hence, all this refusal from 2019, say not too close to election. Now, 2023 now, see all waiting they come aside. But just hit them straight, cause speed is speed. You could just say from their body language, it be like say, kakaka, they don't want to do them. They want to use brain. They give us plenty drama. Now, maybe they see the drama. Before you go see, they'll just kick them at the end of the election. Don't reach. How you see them?
You know, anytime where election done near, no be only Nigeria the fever day. The fever of election cycle, they catch everybody. From UK, don't forget, say election fever. Now come out David Cameron when come out. Now come out Theresa May. So election fever they everywhere. The same election fever. Now make Joe Biden they lie. Now make Donald Trump self tell them lie. Make them do kata kata. Election fever also worried them for France. He worried them for Gambia. You worry them for every cause. Election fever there everywhere. But how the messy way it take you cure your election fever, now it matter now. When election fever hold people outside the country, then the guy that they do. Election fever don't come stay for Nigeria now because of 2023. But election fever will not go let people see themselves as being very powerful. Now, wahala be that because that fever self is something. So the truth be say, part of the reason we make them no one sign this thing be say, election fever is full ground. They hold it. Make I remind us again. The election fever for 2019 make former governor of Zamfara State, Abdulaziz Yari, tell Adam Oshomole, say, if them born and wed, not be me talk low, at the quote governor or former governor of Zamfara, say, if them born Adam Oshomole well, make him come decide how they go take determine the person will be say, now him win their primary. And he say, in swear for his life, say, if Adam Oshomole try, make him come Zamfara. That's one a sitting governor. That one na waiting election fever fit cause. Election fever fit make person one kill another person. Now make me they say to prevent or reduce the impact of the election fever, let the people get power. How many years we want to sit down for this kind of for fight? Who would they fight? Other countries they go ahead. Okay, look now. Part of the news we say then they tell Ngigeo, they tell medical inductees, the new one say make them know. So it just be like say you they tell me, say person like me, where we say the government suffer my papa no pay me money. When me I enter there, make I become mumu, serve without pay like my papa.
Oh, okay, so all right, so Kunu, as it be now, we don't see as it be, whether it be say the present administration and the present party they fear or not, and whether it be say now maybe style for them to even not talk about the electoral transmission of transmission of results. If it be saying a style too, now waiting people to insinuate. As all these things around like this, waiting be the way forward. Waiting go be the implication for the 2023 election if this matter continue like this.
In the first place, these lawmakers get power. If to say lawmakers don't get power to decide now, we go say, no, make the lawmakers now. If they get that power, they get mind. Make them use their power to show, say, the legislature, they truly independent of the executive. Make them call the bluff of the president. Don't forget, the lawmakers now get responsibility directly to their people. The president, now head of government, the lawmakers are representing the people directly. So my own be say, make the lawmakers decide now. All this why we say that they go meet committee, all this why we say that they go Christmas. Make them cancel all those celebrations. Who won't chop meat when the country needs solution? Make them come now and say, okay, oh, President Buhari, you know, agree. Make them 4 times now where President done. 4. Not be 1, not be 2, not be 3. 4 times. So it shows say the president get antecedent when no one favor this democracy. Make them decide, make the towards majority of the lawmakers, make them veto them, make them let people get what they want. So even if this direct primary no come favor us, because every amendment is subject to change, we cannot reverse. Let them show signs of moving forward. That is the solution.
All right, thank you. Thank you so much as you don't put mouth for inside this matter. As usual, it always sit our belly to bring you come because it ain't yarn and the way it be, you know they miss word at all. You go just put it the way it be directly. So you don't talk, say the way forward, now make it be say National Assembly prove to Nigerians say they actually get the heart and mind of their representatives at heart. And the one way where they go use proof to Nigerians, now make it be say them veto the president, take decisions where it be say they feel say go better for the country.
So.
Thank you so much. All right, Adini Yukunu, thank you as you join us on top. As you don't talk segment
today.
Very much. Thank you.
All right.